Am I dreaming, or is that an RTX 4070 Ti right in front of me? That's right, MSI were so kind as to send over one of their RTX 4070 Ti's. So I'm gonna try my best not to make my GTX 1080 Ti feel a bit jealous. And it's happening. Boys, it's actually happening. Okay, talk about packaging material. I don't know what weighs more at this point, the actual card or just all the foam they have around it. Are you ready for the big moment? Because I'm not. I'm gonna do it anyway. Here it is. Actually, no, here's a lot of other stuff as well. Of course, we have the special NVIDIA 12-pin connector right here. However, we've all seen the horror stories surrounding those, so thankfully Be Quiet actually sent me over one of their in-house ones. So I guess we can try both and see which one catches on fire first. We do also have what looks like a GPU like anti-sag bracket. And then we have the card itself, and wow, is it heavy. Oh my word. Just look at it. Isn't that insane? So I've never really held an RTX card before, so I really had no idea what to expect, seeing how my 1080 Ti is kind of still my standard for big GPUs, but I was definitely not expecting this of all things. Now in this direction, it's not actually as big as it could be. It appears to just be a 3-slot card. As you can see, the heatsink and the shroud kind of lines up with where the brackets end up here. And what's actually cool is that MSI is using 3 brackets worth of support here, which should also help eliminate some sag. Then moving to the back of the graphics card, I mean, I feel almost bad saying this because, you know, MSI sent me this, but I still think that 2 HDMI should be the bare minimum when it comes to graphics cards that are so expensive, but whatever, you can't look a gift horse in the mouth, I guess. And the final key feature is this little tiny switch over here, the BIOS switch, where you can either change between silent mode or gaming mode. Pretty cool, but I think that most people kind of prefer to do that kind of stuff in software anyway, but whatever. And now the moment you've all been waiting for. Time for me to rip out my current GTX 1080 Ti, replace it with this monster, and see exactly how well it goes. Now the process of actually installing it has been pretty simple, though one thing that's been proving rather difficult to work with is actually the GPU mount, which I kind of gave up on actually installing because I literally couldn't figure out how exactly it's supposed to go on. But what about performance? Well, we are going to have a full review of this graphics card coming very soon before I have to unfortunately ship it back to MSI. And whilst they're here, maybe also check out our Patreon, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. Well, you get awesome perks as well. I'd also like to thank my existing patrons: Gavin Burns, Ryan OTB, Justin Rage, Elavroniak, Bartosz Welcome, Maxim, Nashing Allcroft, Lensby, Jesse Herdman, Sharon Notgun, and Level Up. And down there's also our Discord server and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's what it's. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.